Today we're gonna be working on a new feeding system for our chickens. Oh man, big old rooster. Go check for some eggs. Oh, we got one in the evening. Y'all take care of me. I'm gonna take care of you. Then I cut off 2 more inches of this, stuff it in here. So it'll be the stop for this, just like that right there. And then the pole gonna go on top of there and they're gonna feed from there. Just watch. Drill the hole through the top so it hang, cause in here we just don't have no spot to like secure it other than hanging it. Go. See the feed come out right there. It's full all the way up. Capped it off and hung it.